What is going on, guys? In this video I'll show you an amazing Amazon FBA strategy without using Jungle Scouts that not many sellers actually show you, and this is how I found my next Amazon FBA product. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, now we're inside my computer. I'll show you the exact product research and strategy I use to find my next product. So first what you need to do is go on the Amazon website as shown here. Then you need to find or search a random product. So in this case I'm going to use oil diffuser. And you need to basically find a product that is quite competitive, because the main idea isn't to sell that product, is to sell other products this like a particular seller is actually selling. So if I just pull up the Jungle Scout web extension, Chrome extension I mean. As you can see, this product is performing really well. They're selling a roughly average 915 sales a month. However, it is really competitive as the average reviews is 615. And if you look at some of the reviews, like this seller is selling 1,300 units a month, but has 1,475 reviews. So as you can see that it's a really competitive market for this product, and it's not what we're looking into of actually starting ourselves in terms of this product. However, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at one of these sellers, because think about it, these sellers, they know what they're doing. They've got enough reviews, they're making thousands of sales a month, so most likely they will have other products that are selling quite well as well. So what we need to do is look at some of the sellers' products. So what I'll do, I'll click on this one, ESSO. As you can see, they're selling about 684 units a month. They've got about 380 reviews. So what I'll do, I'll click on his listing, and then this option here, if you click on that, it shows all the other products that this company is selling. So here are a lot of different products this company is selling. There's 2 pages worth. So these are potential products that we could actually start selling. So what we need to do is actually look into some of these products and see if they're actually worth selling or not. And the way to actually determine that is how you normally do product research. And so check the reviews, the demand, how much it is in terms of, is it worth it in terms of the pricing or not. It's just the basic things that you normally look at anyways. So for this example, this looks quite interesting actually, a clothes steamer. So it's selling for 17 quid, which is our price range of what the price you want it to be. It's only got 17 reviews. As I mentioned, that there will be some products that the seller will have that you'll be able to fit yourself in the market. So if I click on clothes steamer, just copy and paste the broad key term keyword on search, change it to all departments, press search, and here it comes. So if I pull up the Jungle Scout Chrome extension again, you can see from this is actually a decent product to actually look into. The sales looks quite well. They're all above 100 to 200 and going up to 600. As shown here, the average monthly sales is 161. The reviews, as you can see, that it's a bit competitive, but it's not too much. You can still fit yourself in. As there are some reviews with only 32, 67 reviews. So it looks like there's medium competition in terms of the reviews. The pricing is great. You're looking between a minimum price that you can sell the product at is between 21 to between £25, which is something we're looking for. So this is a potential product that you can actually look into and see on Alibaba, and also look at what can also be improved on. So this, for example, only has 3.5 stars, yet they're selling almost 300 units a month. So you can look into how you can improve the product and see if it's actually worth actually going for it. And that is what strategy has actually helped me find my next Amazon product. If this obviously wasn't the right product, then you just keep on doing the same method over and over again until you find a lot of potential products that you can actually find and try to actually start yourself. This product researching technique is literally as easy as that. The benefit is obviously you get to explore new products that you may have not seen before on Jungle Scouts. Um, as that has happened to me before, there are literally so many products that I've not seen on Jungle Scout but have seen potential products by just using this method. Another great side is that you can actually spy on and keep an eye on some of the competitors. So if you know, for example, that SO company has great products, what you can do is save their name, save the company, and then just regularly check on it like once a month and see if they've introduced any more products. And if they have, then perfect. If it's a good opportunity, you can go for it as well. The only downside I would say about this product researching technique is that it is quite time consuming. Um, you may have to look up so many companies in order to find one potential product, but that's just the way it is, I guess. You just have to spend the time and effort in order to find good potential products that can literally find a home running product. So that is the benefits and drawbacks. I ideally would recommend you just give it a shot and see if it's for you, this product researching technique. It has worked for me, and let's hope it works for you as well. If you do end up trying this strategy out, I would appreciate if you leave a comment down below. Let me know how you liked it or not, and also put down in a comment any other strategies that you have discovered and is worth actually trying out ourselves. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe below for more videos like this.